Hello friends, welcome to DeepMindAI. Today we will be unlocking the secret of web scraping, and in this captivating video I'll show you how we can extract valuable information from any website. You can extract information from your competitor website and you can extract that data in order to optimize your point of sales. As you can see, Google and Meta are extracting user data and selling to advertiser and making huge amount of money. For that, you had to go through various coding in order to extract data, and you have to learn HTML, JavaScript, all that backend programming in order to do scraping. Now with the help of AI, it's kind of piece of cake. So I'll show you how you can do that. Just stay tuned with me. Disclaimer: make sure web scraping is illegal.
So let's get started. In order to use scraping, all you have to do, you have to search Browse AI. So you will see Browse AI link on top of Google search. So just click this one, and now you are on the full page of Browse AI. Just click on Get Started for free. And this is the home page. So right now we are going to extract data from sites. So we are going to use the most popular one. So I'm going to click the first one. So this is just simple as a piece of cake. All you have to do, just you have to copy the link of that site from where you want to extract data, and you have to paste that here, and this will start mining for you. And once you've done, all you have to do, just click Start Training Robot. But right now we are going to utilize their use Robot Studio, so I'm going to click the first one. And now you can see that the robot is trying to extract all data from that website, and this process is taking just 1 or 2 minutes. The robot has successfully accessed the website. Now we have 2 options what kind of data we are trying to extract. We can extract the complete data, or we can extract step by step. So right now I'm going to extract capture text. Just click on that, and here you will have again 2 options. And so I'm going to extract data from a list. So right now I'm going to click from a list. Once you are here, all you have to do, you have to select the pictures and just double click on the pictures. Now you can see that the robot is extracting data from that website. Now we have to choose the number of items to extract, and then you have to select the paginations and click the first one. And once this will be done, you will see the finish button on right bottom side. So just click finish. And this will take a second, and within second you will be able to see your complete data. All you have to do, you have to click save. And now you can see that the robot and Browse AI has successfully extracted all the pictures data from their website. And let's see the first picture here. Let's check the other one. And you can see this picture also extracted by Browse AI from that website. So this is how you can extract and scrape data from any website by using Browse AI. If you find this section helpful, please share, subscribe DeepMindAI.